They know all their efforts will be rewarded. It's okay with these people that they get laughed at with most of their friends. While here, you don't get any rejection, but you live a mediocre life while you stay here. You know what I'm saying? It's not very hard. You don't get rejected, but it's mediocre. While in this business, in this quadrant, you'll get rejected. You will be ridiculed. You will be persecuted. But one day, believe me, you will be rewarded. Now, the good news is this. A lot of people, you know what? Network marketing is over here. You don't need to have a traditional business to become a businessman. Do networking and you're already a businessman. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm saying. While a lot of you are here, while you're doing in global, unconsciously, ladies and gentlemen, you already made the crossing. You already made that crossing. You were able to cross unconsciously. While a lot of people are having a hard time to cross, they cannot even cross because they are thinking that what if nothing happens? What if? There's a lot of what ifs in their minds. Well, you already made the cross. So when you go into that negative bed space, or I mean, your